have all the different features in the buildings, like connectivity center, mold detection summary, floor plans, dashboards, and devices. I'm going to start with connectivity center, but I'm going to open another building that I think it had better overview of what's happening in the building, more devices. The connectivity center shows you the current state and history data for how many devices were online for this period of time that you have selected. Currently we have today, but let's say I'm gonna just select a range. So from May the 6th until today, we can see a graph showing us how many devices were online. We can see that there were some times that some devices were offline. And actually from here, we can see that the problematic device was this one, CO2 display light, and it was offline for quite some time. And this feature allows us to see very easily if there is some problem with the gateway or the gateways, of course, because usually when the problem is in the gateway, we can see a drastic drop of all devices going offline or too many devices having fluctuations and changing their state too often. And when we have this case here where one device was offline for only 16 minutes and then the other one for 18 hours, we know it's not problem with the gateway, but it was a problem with the device itself for some reason. I'm not sure what the problem was here, but this device had disconnect events. It was 17 times disconnected, which is quite a lot. And here in the logs, you can see all the events and you can gain more overview of what is happening with this device, why it was disconnecting, not why, but at what time it was disconnecting. And we can definitely see here that this device has some problems. Also, you can make comparisons, for example, with previous period, and we can see here and also in the summary again, the comparison is showing a trend here, like there are some overlapping periods of offline and online devices. So yeah, it can be very easily used for detecting problems with the network mainly and the gateways, or of course to detect some problems with specific devices like this one. You can expand it and use it like that as well.